Previously on this channel, we have reviewed and unboxed the gaming monitor, which was the portable gaming monitor. But now we have another portable monitor from AOC, and this time we will be bringing it to enhance your work setup. The model number of this portable monitor is 16T10, and this one is 15.6 inch. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside the box. Then we will talk about the specifications and features, and then we will put it on the test. Alright, so let's unbox this. So first of all, what we have inside is of course your monitor. Woo! This one looks good. Oh, that's like a leather cover on it. Oh wow. Okay, this one is a very good looking cover on it, and the weight with the cover itself is not very heavy as well, so which is very good. It looks like a book to me. It's so cool, like a file, A4 size. Very cool. Let's open this. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. And the best part about this cover, which we'll be talking in a while, this can be turned into your stand as well, so that's gonna be cool. Okay, so we will talk about it. Just put it on the side. Let's see what else we have inside the box. Okay, so of course your quick start guide you can utilize if you want to know more about it. A cable, which is the HDMI to Mini HDMI. Then we have another cable, so which is the USB-A to Type-C. And this one we will be talking about the connectivity like through the HDMI and Type-C as well. And then what else do we have? Of course, we have the Type-C to Type-C cable as well. If you guys notice that there is no power adapter or anything, this can power up with your one of the cables, so that's the very cool thing about it. So meanwhile, I set this up, you guys check out the specifications. The AOC 16T10 is a portable 15.6 inch monitor built for productivity wherever you go, featuring a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 with a flicker-free IPS panel. It delivers vibrant colors and sharp details with wide 178-degree viewing angles. The 60Hz refresh rate and 5 millisecond response time ensures smooth, responsive visuals, while the 250 nit brightness offers clarity in diverse lighting conditions. Powered via USB-C and equipped with the Mini HDMI port, it guarantees versatile connectivity. Weighing just 1.1 kg, its lightweight design includes a tilt-adjustable fold-out kickstand for comfortable viewing. With a dynamic contrast ratio of 50:1 for deep blacks and bright whites, plus a 3.5mm audio jack for the sound output, and it also comes with two built-in speakers. The AOC 16T10 seamlessly combines functionality and portability for your on-the-go needs. So you guys heard the specifications and features about this amazing product, of course. We thought it will take a while to set up, but let me show you a magic. You just take this cable, which comes with it. Here's my MacBook. I will put my Type-C cable here. There are no cables, no powers, nothing. You just use this, and there is two USB-C type ports here. Just put it in any of the port, and then after that it will automatically turn on. I didn't do any settings or anything, and it's already displaying my monitor extended display. So super cool. Super easy. I'm quite impressed with the speed and just one cable. You can bring it anywhere you want to. That's the best part about it. So in terms of look, feel, build quality, it looks amazing. If you guys recall from the previous video for the other portable monitor, they have the other one with the stand built in it. This one, they have this cover. You can actually remove it, and you can without the cover, it's so light. I didn't realize that. Okay, I just realized it. So this one is a magnetic side, so you can see how beautiful this display is, how thin it is, you can see as well. On this side, of course, the main big HDMI to this one is a small HDMI, Mini HDMI. It goes here, Type-C cable, you can even charge your phone with it now after that. And then on this side, oh my god, this is like so light, I'm so impressed. And on this side, you have all the buttons. For example, this button, let's see what this does. I think it should power turn it. Oh, it opens the menu, and this is the menu same as your AOC monitor menu, so I will not go through with that on this one because it's quite straightforward here, and your headphone jacks goes here. At the bottom, these are the rubber pads too. If you are putting it on the floor or anywhere, it will be having no issues or scratches or anything. Okay, so at the back I just saw that of course this was all the labels are here. So this one is for your source, this button on the top is for your source, this one is for your navigating the menu, and this is the turning on the menu button, and if you hold it I believe it turns off. So let's hold it and see how fast it does. Okay, so that's off. My laptop goes to the normal, and then if I turn it on, let's see if I hold it, and it turns on straight away. And let's see how long that does take. It's a smooth process. I don't have to say anything about it. You can see in the real time that how it goes. Then let me put it back on this, and then I will show you about the connectivity, that how we can connect this with our phone also. Let me put it back on its stand, and then we will play it around a little bit more with that. So this stand is also have like adjustable kind of they have this depth into it. So if you guys can see, there are different levels of it. If you guys can see, I can just put it like this on my preference if I want it to be a little bit straight, and if I want a little bit more tilted, I can just move it here. So this is very good in that way. The magnets hold it quite steady. So on their website right now, as you guys can see, I'm searching on it, and it's on, the price is 199 Sing dollars, so Singapore dollars. So if you want to get one, and if there are any discount code available, I will be dropping that in the description so you guys can check that out. And in terms of readability, in terms of the brightness, okay, I must say it's not super bright, but it's good enough. The display looks because of the IPS panel, the full HD resolution, everything is quite clean, very clear, very sharp in terms of colors, in terms of readability and all that. I'm not sure about the brightness part, though we have checked, we are on the full brightness and we are on the custom mode as well. We have tried different modes and we like this one. So it's quite reasonable, but if you are directly in front of it, like from all the way from the front, it's quite bright. But from different angles, I can see it doesn't seem very bright there. So it's not a deal breaker, but some information to know. Since it's an IPS panel, and if you want to do the editing or photo editing, video editing, the color accuracy will be quite good because of this IPS panel. You will see from any angle, the colors will be same as you are expecting them to be. So next thing what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this off, and I'm going to directly plug into my mobile via the Type-C cable to see how it performs. I have not tested that part yet, so I'll be testing in front of you. So just take this out, take this mobile, put the Type-C cable in, and turn on my mobile. Let's see. Ta-da! It does the job. Very good. And if I go into the games and I'll play Mobile Legends. So as you guys can see, it's all covered very nicely. So what I'm trying to say here is everything is just plug and play, and it doesn't only sorry, I'm only master one. That's bad. What I'm trying to say here is very straightforward, plug and play. This is the iPhone, and if we can check with the Android phone, it will do the same thing. So any device who is capable with the Type-C, it will be straightforward setup for you to have it. So there you have it, guys. That's all I can talk about it, and it's very useful when you need it, and it's a very great addition to your setup. It's not very expensive as well. It's very solid. It's a good looking piece of technology as well. It just enhances your setup on the go, easy to carry, bring it around. So guys, I hope I've covered most of the amazing features of this amazing device. If you guys want to know more about it, I'll be dropping the link in the description of the video as well. And if there's any discount codes available, as I mentioned earlier, you can also find them in the description of this video. Or if you have any comments, or if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply. And if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.